So we're here with head track and field coach Taylor Cudequest after the weekend that was at Bucknell, and we'll get ready to preview this week at Slippery Rock. Coach, if you could just kind of give us a quick rundown of the weekend at Bucknell. It was a little bit smaller meet, but you guys had really quality performances.
Yeah, so we had some good performances this weekend. We had Hayden Skinner qualify for conference and hit a new PR in the 110 hurdles. Anna Elder also qualified for conference and hit the PSAC auto. We had Eliza in the 800 hit the PSAC auto, and somebody else did too.
He's slamming.
Yeah, Katie in the steeplechase also qualified. So we had a couple good performances there. Byrne Zucchina broke the school record in the 200 meters, so that was awesome. She ran 24:92. Previous record was 24:97, so we were very happy about that. And yeah, just a couple of on the all-time list altered a little bit. Connor Munson in the pole vault. I think he's now fourth all-time on the pole vault. Getting really close to the school record. He was attempting a school record bar. So a lot of good things happening.
Coach, what's it like as you see kind of the build here, and you have more and more people putting their names onto that conference list, but then to also see school records falling kind of week in and week out?
Yeah, so the program is definitely heading, like I said, in a good direction. I really like where we're at right now as a team. I think that this team is going to be something very special going forward, and it's just nice to see the improvement and the progress. And I feel like everybody's working very hard, and we just got to stay fine-tuned for these next couple of weeks as conference is rolling around.
So back to Slippery Rock again this weekend. What should people expect? Kind of who's making the trip from both the men's and women's side? What's this weekend look like for you as a team?
Yeah, so this weekend's kind of more so a tune-up for us. It's a very low-key meet. We're looking for just some people to throw out some good performances. I guess Landon Chalmers is throwing shot. He's hopefully trying to get the PSAC auto and shot put this weekend. Yeah, we're just looking for some good tune-up performances, basically.
All right. Thanks, Coach. Appreciate your time.
Thank you.
All right. We're here with Anna Elder, post Bucknell and pre Slippery Rock. Anna, a PR and a PSAC qualifying distance in the hammer. How did you prepare yourself for that? And what was it like to kind of see all of that preparation come together in a performance like that?
It was really rewarding, and it was good to see the hard work finally pay off even more than it already has this season. Kind of my preparation going into that, I knew it was a big meet. I knew it would be competitive, and so that mindset walking in, I think, really helped.
You've reached the PSAC mark. How do you continue to kind of push yourself through that as you prepare for conference meet throwing this weekend and again at Shippensburg, and kind of just getting ready to keep going into conference?
Well, my main goal for just to keep pushing myself is I am roughly a little bit over a meter away from the school record, so that's my next goal. And then after that, I'll just keep setting more and more goals until the season's over.
And what is your goal for this week at Slippery Rock?
I'd like to be able to consistently hit in the 45s, just that way I know the consistency is there, and maybe potentially PR again. So yeah.
Thanks, Hannah, and good luck this weekend.
Thank you.
Here with Hayden Skinner, post Bucknell and head of Slippery Rock. Hayden, you hit the PSA qualifying mark, a new PR. What's that like to make that number, make that time, and reach the conference meet?
It feels awesome. It's really rewarding. It's just trusting the process, really. Coach tells me all the time, just trust the process.
Kind of take us through, when you're running the 110 hurdles, it's a short race. How do you mentally prepare yourself for that? And then, is it kind of a blink and it's over type thing?
Oh, yeah. I try not to think about it as much as I possibly can because I like to get way too nervous about races. And the more I don't think about it and the more I have teammates around me joking with me, it's better. It makes it so much better.
So now you wrap up this week and look forward to the next time you run at Shippensburg. How do you use that meet at Shippensburg to get ready for conference championships?
Oh, well, the Shippensburg meet should be a pretty fast meet. Should be a fast track. Should be a lot of competition there. I'm going to see all the guys I would see at PSACs run there. So it's good to have that environment going into PSACs and just being used to it, I guess.
Awesome, Hayden. Thanks for your time and good luck when you're back out on the hurdles.
Thanks.